why learning is fun with LogiQminds. Learning can be fun? Yes, definitely. Learning is even more fun than video games. Really? How? Yes. With LogiQminds. LogiQminds? Sounds fun? What is it?
LogiQminds is an exceptional premium education service provider offering unique and comprehensive solutions to students from kindergarten through high school with ultra focus on students' future readiness.
That sounds cool.
Moreover, the experts at LogiQminds interacts in person and help kids with a hands-on approach that makes learning fun. And the best part is the customized programs that make kids and parents choose what suits the kid best.
Wow! I think I'm going to get my slot booked at LogiQminds now.